Well, hello all office executives. I am again back with another Excel video, and this video will be over data validation part 2. In the data validation 1, we saw that we are restricting a range of cell from entering a numeric value less than 10,000 or less than 10,000 won't be allowed. So that was the validation of a numeric data. In this particular problem set scenario, we will be uh, restricting the user from entering any data other than male and female would be accepted. So wherever the value male and female is to be detailed, we will be selecting those range of cells. After that, we will be going to the data validation, and from the data validation, from any value we will be selecting custom, and in this custom section we will be writing equal to. This, since it is a function, it would be start with equal to, then or. So what is the or value? The or value is $b2 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 is equal to male, or $b2 is equal to female, and we will be giving some error alert, like we will be giving title warning, and the error message will be no other value other than male is accepted. No other value other than male or female is expected, and we will be hitting OK. Now if we try to enter like boy, we will be getting an error alert. Again, if we try to give a value female, it would be accepted. Male, it would be accepted. But any value other than male or female, say child, those values won't be accepted in this range of cells. So that's for data validation part 2. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about the data validation part 2, and if you have faced any issues while doing practical or by yourself, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to resolve it out. Thank you all guys, and happy coding. So before ending the video, let me just show what is the formula that we used. We used this formula, and before ending the video, let me again explain. Equal to or. So or means either male or female, and this is dollar. We started from $b2. So B is the column which is fixed, because in that particular column male and female value is to be given, but the row number would change from 2 to 3 to 4. So 2 will be having either male or female, 3 will be having either male or female, 4 will be having either male or female. That's why column is locked, but the row number is not locked. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.